Hello, my name is Lucia Clavai Camacho, and I have studied laboratory operations at the Escola Municipal del Treball High School in Granollers. The truth is that when they told us to do this experience, I wasn't sure because it's 1 month in a stranger country and alone. But thanks to my mother, I came to the conclusion that it's a good opportunity and it's very enriching. That's how I went to Eslovènia, a small town called Ruše, where I was lucky enough to meet different people with cultures very different from mine. During this period, I started to do the practices in a TTL Legur company, where I had the opportunity to learn about different aspects of chemistry, metallurgy. My day-to-day in the company changed depending on the amount of work. Sometimes I prepare the X-ray machine, where I analyze the concentration of different elements of the sample. Other times I prepare the sample, or I do the aspect of photometer calibration curve. Erasmus Plus, it's not only the opportunity to improve my English, it also gives you the option to travel, meet new people with different cultures and different methods. The Erasmus Plus program brings you another way of seeing the world and growing not only professionally but also as a person. Thank you for this unforgettable experience. Bye!